Hey there. I just want to do a quick video. I figured out something that was going on with my Craftsman, pretty new, fairly late model, push mower, front wheel drive. I'll turn this around real quick. I'm not a small engine guy at all, but you know, I know enough to get myself into trouble. Just to give you an idea. So I've already pulled the cover off of this. So it was failing to start. It had fuel, oil, all the regular stuff. What I found was, and it seems to be a little bit of a design flaw, which is why I'm making this video in the first place. So right here, this guy got the big old fat fingers. This right here is your throttle body. Like, this will open and this will allow air in and out, or it's closed. Basically, that's closed right now. What was happening is that this would come open and it would get stuck right up against there. This kind of shield, or this bracket right here. And actually, you can kind of see I bent it back just a tiny bit. What was happening is that the throttle body would open and it couldn't close. So whatever mechanism, again, this is exposing my lack of knowledge about small engines, whatever mechanism opens and closes the throttle body, it wasn't allowing it to close at all. And as a result, it was wide open, which means it was probably running lean, too much air. I think that's what that is. So anyway, all I did was took a little wrench or something, bent that away, and then the throttle body could open and close on its own. Works perfectly. So if you're having that issue, check that, see if the throttle body's getting stuck open. If it is, that's no bueno. Fix it up. See ya.